Hi, I'm Lindsay Silvera, the Teen Librarian at Burbank Public Library. I'm here to show you how to use HelpNow. The library is excited to offer HelpNow, which offers personalized homework help in core subjects like math, reading, writing, science, and social studies, as well as on-demand e-learning for all ages and levels. To access HelpNow, go to our website, burbanklibrary.org, and hover over the Research tab. Under Online Research, you'll find a list of databases and other resources in alphabetical order. Scroll down to Help Now and click on Access Now. You will be asked for your library card number or school ID number. Now we're on the home page. Learners can get free tutoring from trained, certified tutors every day from 1 to 10 p.m. To be paired with a tutor, click on Live Tutoring, select your grade and the subject you need assistance with, and you'll be paired with a tutor. Here's an example of what a tutoring session looks like. You can use the text chat box to ask questions. There is also a whiteboard feature to draw out math problems or anything else you need help with. Back on the home page, you can use Help Now even when there are no tutors available. Under Skill Surfer, you can browse available lessons. Help Now also features a writing lab, where tutors will help you develop your writing for school. Keep in mind that you'll need to create a free account on Help Now to take advantage of this feature. You can submit a question and receive an answer from one of HelpNow's experts within 24 hours. There is also a language lab and chess lessons. HelpNow also allows users to make their own crossword puzzles, word searches, flashcards, review quizzes, and more. Click on Flashbulb. You can create your own activities to practice your vocab or learn concepts from your classes. You can also explore what others have created. I'm going to click on Geography and look at flashcards other learners have made. Back to the home page. Lastly, you can meet together in a virtual study room to review for a test or do group work, if you don't already have access to a paid version of Zoom or Google Meets. To fully explore HelpNow's features, create a free account. Having one will also allow you to save recordings of your tutoring sessions for future use. All of this and more is accessible via your library card or Burbank Unified School District ID number.